Hey friends, ZenKahuna here. I'm using another one of my self-turned clubs. It's a lovely one. Got a great balance to it. It's a real flyer. So what I'm going to do is show you some variations on the step back and cast, and then some variations on the variations. Let's play with it. What you're going to do is bring it up into a halo, step back with the same leg, and then cast. Backhand pass, halo, step back, and cast. Let's do one more of each. Okay, now we did that halo, but we stepped back with the opposite leg. So what I mean is, if you watch here, this is my left arm, and I'm stepping back with my right leg, and my cast is different because of my position. So the cast begins from a basic half salute and then cast. So that's right arm, left leg, left arm, right leg. Original version, right arm, right leg, left arm, left leg. Now, variation is, we're going to, instead of doing halo first, we're going to do a half salute, then a halo the other way, and circle the body. I just messed it up. Let me start it over. That's a good move, but it's not the one I'm showing you. So it's a half salute, reversed halo, half salute, reversed halo. Hand shift, of course, in the back. Especially with a longer and heavier club, this is a great move. And all the moves that I like to do are done best with leg drive, hip confirmation, grip confirmation, everything aligned and connected. Last one. So, there you saw 3 variations on Club Slingin. Are they traditional? Who knows? Who cares? Do what feels right to you. Improvise, customize, modify, adapt, and overcome. You know what you're overcoming? The seriousness and the stodginess of traditionalists, and people think it can only be done one way.